Unraveling the meaning of spit roast. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that might tickle your curiosity and expand your culinary vocabulary. We'll explore the meaning of the phrase, spit roast, its origins, and how you can use it correctly in English. So, let's get started and unravel the layers of this interesting expression. Spit roast refers to a method of cooking. It's an age-old technique where meat is skewered on a long rod known as a spit. This rod is then rotated over an open fire or heat source. The rotation ensures that the meat is cooked evenly on all sides. The result? Delicious, juicy meat that's enjoyed in various cultures around the world. Beyond the kitchen, spit roast can sometimes be used in a figurative sense. For instance, someone might say they feel like they've been spit roasted after a tough day in the sun or after being severely criticized from multiple people at once. It's important to note, however, that this phrase can carry adult connotations in certain contexts, so it should be used with caution and awareness of the audience. In some cultures, a spit roast is not just a cooking method but a social event. It's an opportunity for community gathering and celebration. This cultural aspect highlights the communal nature of meals and the shared experience of enjoying food together. Let's put our knowledge into practice. Here's how you can use spit roast in a sentence. We're having a barbecue this weekend and plan to spit roast a whole chicken. I felt like I was on a spit roast after being questioned by the committee for over an hour. Remember, the key is to ensure that the context is clear and appropriate when using this phrase. I hope this discussion has clarified the meaning of spit roast for you. Whether you're talking about a delicious way to cook meat or using the phrase metaphorically, it's a vivid expression that can add flavor to your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you expand your English vocabulary in our next video.